7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Drop your knees and side of the body. Look up, chin up. Very good. Exhale. Drop your both palm down. Right leg back. 2, plank. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on. Hello once again. Namaste. कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you guys are very well and practice yoga every day. Again today, super duper exercise for reduce weight loss and very fat loss. With me, another my yoga member, Anji. Thank you for joining today's session. So मेरा जो मेंबर है अब आज डेमोस्ट्रेशन देने वाली है. बहुत सुबह आपको करना क्या है, आज जो एक्सरसाइज मैं दिखाने वाला हूँ, जो लोग बिगिनर हो, बहुत दिन से प्रैक्टिस करो, वेट लॉस स्टक हो गया या तो आपका डिलीवरी होने के बाद मम्मी टमी हो जाता है, तो ये एक्सरसाइज आप लोगों के लिए है. बहुत सुबह सुबह एक्सरसाइज आपको करना है, देखना है, साथ साथ प्रैक्टिस करना है. अगर हो सके सुबह शाम आप वर्कआउट करो, इस प्रैक्टिस को आप कंटिन्यू करो, डेफिनेटली आपको रिजल्ट मिलेगा. जो मेरा जो आप थंबनेल देखा है 10 किलो 1 मंथ में हमारा टारगेट होता है. इस टारगेट को बेस करके चलो, प्रैक्टिस करो रेगुलरली. देखो 5 से 6 किलो आराम से लूज़ होगा, किसी किसी को ज़्यादा होता है. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. अगर चैनल में नया है तो सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू सम वार्म अप आवर बॉडी, देन वी आर गोइंग टू द मेन पोस्चर. बोथ palms over your chest, interlock your finger and twist your spine right side to left side. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Hand rotation, clock and anti-clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both hands side of the waist. Slowly rotate your neck. Clock and anti-clock. 1. Normal breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Same change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now follow me. Slowly hip rotation. Clock and anti-clock. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. One step open your leg. One step open. Both hand back side. Inhale. Go back maximum. Exhale. Come front. Hai tai swung dao swung. Forward bending. Yes. 3 more times. Inhale up, go back maximum to do. Very good. As much as possible you can. Exhale, come forward. If you have back pain, so don't go too much. Last 2 times. Inhale, go back maximum. Come on, go. Yeah. Very good job. Exhale, come front. Slowly. This is the warm-up session. You have to practice every day warm-up before your main exercise. The last one, inhale, go back maximum. Just slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Exhale, come front. Yeah, grab your both ankle. Relax yourself. Couple of breath. Okay, come to zigzag 1 by 1. Yeah, 1 by 1. Yeah, come to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left hand down, tai chi swung. Right hand all the way up. Yes, come on. Have to maintain the posture. Focus on your hamstring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. Change your side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Come center. 1 by 1. Shake your leg. So next we are going to forward bending, backward bending for excessive belly fat. This is a very effective exercise. Continue. Let's go. 1. Normal breathing. 2. First. 3. Come on. 3. 4. Very good. Inhale, exhale. 5. Very good job. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, relax. Very good. Come here. So from here we just finished our warm-up session, like 3 to 4 minutes. Then we are going to 2 rounds sun salutations. Come in front of your mat. So from here we are going to, just I am giving the demonstration 2 round, but you have to practice 5 to 10 round. Inhale, go back maximum, sun salutation. Exhale, bend forward. Hai swang, down swang. Yeah, come forward. Now you did different kinds of sun salutation. Follow me. Right leg back. Drop your knees. Yes. Hand side of the body. Look up, chin up. Okay. Exhale. Drop your both palm down. Left leg back. To plank pose. Body should be straight one line. Very good. Hold the breath. Chaturanga or come to Ashtanga. Inhale. Cobra. Look up, chin up. Very good. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up. Right leg front in between your palm. Exhale. Yes. Drop your knees. Again, hand side of the body. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Drop your both palm down. Left leg front to forward bending. Yeah. Go. Inhale. Raise your hands up. Go back maximum. Exhale. Namaste. Very good. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. So one more time, same. Inhale, raise your hands up, go back maximum. Exhale, forward bending. Hai swang, down swang. Left leg back. Inhale, left leg back. Drop your knees, hand side of the body. Look up, chin up. Very good. Exhale, drop your both palm down. Right leg back to plank pose. Body should be straight one line. Hold the breath. Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra. Look up, chin up. Exhale, Adha Muksa or downward dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left leg front in between your palm. Again, inhale, raise your hand side of the body. Drop your both palm down. Exhale, come forward. Yes. Inhale, arch back. Exhale, namaste. Relax. So from here, like this, you have to practice at least 4 to 5 rounds or 10 to 15 rounds. आपको 10 से 15 राउंड सूर्य नमस्कार करना है. आप आपका तरीके से कर सकते हो, और जो हमने दिखाया है ये भी आप ट्राई कर सकते हो. ठीक है. इसके बाद आपको थोड़ा सा रेस्ट लेना है. उसके बाद हम लोग बेली फैट के रिगार्डिंग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. ओके, नाइस. Okay, so we are coming the main core exercise. One by one, leg up and hands under the thigh. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Relax. One by one, shake your leg. Very good job. Nice. Both hands side of the head. Interlock your finger. Right leg, left leg. Chan chai. Continue. Come on, D. 1. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. This is a very effective for side fat also. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Very good. One by one, shake your leg. Take a deep breath, normal breathing. Don't be tired. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Very good. Well done. So next you have to sit like this. Now knee to chest. Continue 20 times. High chin, gap chin. Come on. Let's go. Continue. 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, bend 5, bend chai. Twist your spine. Right side, left side, right, left, right, left. Next is drop your both elbow down. After every practice you have to rest 30 seconds to 1 minute. It's up to you. One by one, legs up down, continue please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kapchan. Bend 5, bend chai. Twist your spine, relax your body, relax your muscle. जितना भी आप बेली फैट का एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, आफ्टर एक्सरसाइज आपको ऐसे ट्विस्ट करना है ताकि आपका दर्द कम हो जाए. नाम सुन, या. Lie down on the back, relax, couple of breathe, relax. So next we are going to the most effective, my favorite bicycle crunches. Both hand back side, grab your finger to finger, palms together. Inhale, double Maclean, raise your hands up. Now knee to elbow, cross leg. Come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay. Twisting, right side, left, right, left. Come to child pose. Amen. Yes, child pose. Very good. So next, again my favorite is mountain climber. Drop your both palm in front of your chest. Now knee up, go in. Come on, let's go. Cross leg 20 times. Come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 more. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Child pose again. It's very, very effective. If you want, you can go for 2 set, 3 set. It's up to you. आप 2 बार 3 बार इसको रिपीट कर सकते हो हर एक्सरसाइज को अगर चाहो तो. अगर आप बिगिनर हो तो आप एक सेट भी कर सकते हो. इट्स अप टू यू. धीरे धीरे आपका जो पावर है उसको आपको बढ़ाना है. धीरे धीरे आपका जो सेट है उसको आपको इंक्रीज करना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द प्लैंक पोज. ड्रॉप एल्बो हाई तक आप तय सुन. वी आर गोइंग टू प्लैंक पोज. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इफेक्टिव. Let's go for, you have to hold 30 seconds to 3 minutes. It's up to you. I am going to count 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suck your stomach. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 more. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Very good. Nice. Okay, I know that you are very tired, so last 2 exercise more. Please keep continue. Take more rest. Let's go. Come on. 1 by 1. Hands up and legs up. Okay. Cross leg. 1, 2. Normal breathing. 3. Come on. 4. This is very effective. 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay. Relax. 5 chai. And 5. And chai. Twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So last one, we are going to the boat posture, but minimum you have to hold 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, let's go. Raise your both leg up. Yeah, both hands side of the body. You have to hold. Nice. 1. Come on. 9 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Namsoon. Lie down on the back. Fine. First right leg up. Chin 5 up chin. Tai Chi. Left hand grab your knees, twist your spine to relax your spine. जितना भी एक्सरसाइज है सब एक्सरसाइज करने के बाद आपको ऐसे रिलैक्सेशन करना है. Relax. Same. Change your leg, left leg. Twist your spine to the right side. Very good. High thigh, relax. Relax, thang chin. Tao sung. High thigh, high chin. Roll and sit. Land sung. Yes, roll and sit. Both hand grab your both knees and roll and sit. Try to relax your whole body. Just get nice, relax. Okay. Nam sung. Thang thigh, thang chin, relax. Now from here you have to complete Savasana at least 5 to 10 minutes, and after that you can go for the pranayama. तो कैसी लगा ये सीरीज? आई होप आप लोगों के लिए एंजॉय किया है डेफिनेटली. तो प्लीज़ इसको देखिए. अगर आप बिगिनर हो तो जैसे मैंने बनाया है वैसे भी आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. जितना हो सके आप सूर्य नमस्कार और वार्म अप सेशन के ऊपर ध्यान दीजिए. जो सेट हमने दिखाया बेली फैट के लिए प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. डेफिनेटली आपको इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. डेफिनेटली आपको बेली फैट रिड्यूस होगा. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, थोड़ा बहुत पहले 1-2 दिन आपका पेन हो सकता है बेली फैट में, तो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. आप कीप कंटिन्यू कीजिए. लो कैलोरी खाना आप खाइए. सुबह शाम लंच में एंड डिनर में आपको लो कैलोरी खाना खाना है. इसके डाइट के ऊपर मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक लिंक दे दिया, आप उसको चेक कर सकते हो. एंड बहुत सारा कमेंट आता है सर कौन सा योगा मैट, योगा के रिलेटेड जो इक्विपमेंट होता है उसका भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक मिल जाएगा अच्छा प्रोडक्ट का. अगर चाहो तो आप वहाँ से भी परचेस कर सकते हो. ठीक है. प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना कैसे लगा आज का सेशन. और सबको रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा प्लीज़ इसको प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. डेफिनेटली आपका रिजल्ट मिलेगा. ठीक है. मिलते हैं नया कोई टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. वंस अगेन स्वस्थ रहिए, खुश रहिए, योगा बस हर रोज़ कीजिए. नमस्ते. थैंक यू.